Using IFTTT with Google Assistant allows you to automate tasks and trigger actions with voice commands. Here's how to set it up. Sign up for IFTTT. Visit IFTTT and create a free account or login if you already have one. Connect Google Assistant to IFTTT. On the IFTTT dashboard, click on Explore or search for Google Assistant. Select the Google Assistant service and click Connect. You'll be prompted to log into your Google account and grant permissions. Create a new applet. Click on Create to start a new applet. Select If This and choose Google Assistant as the trigger service. Choose a trigger action, such as saying a specific phrase like "turn off the lights" or "what's the weather?" Customize the voice command or trigger phrase. Set the that. After defining the trigger, click Then That and select the action you want to occur when the command is issued. Choose the action service, like Philips Hue for smart bulbs or Gmail for sending emails. Activate the applet. Review and click Finish to activate the applet.